A little recipe I came up with. First, you want to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, you want to have a well-oiled baking tray. Next, you put the fries in. Next, you add cheese. Jameson. Then you add bacon bits. You want to grind up tortilla chips in the crumbs, then add them to the fries. Then you pour the crushed tortilla chips on the fries. Then you add the meat. It's gonna take a while to get to 400 degrees, but don't worry, waiting is as easy as a jump cut. Now that it's at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you want to take the tray, put it in the oven, and don't take it out until 5 minutes have passed, or the cheese starts to melt, whichever comes first. Now that it's done, let it cool for a little bit, and when it's done cooling, enjoy! Anyway, yeah, happy Cinco de Mayo.